Lucheng was established in Tianjin in 1994 and gave birth to China's first invisible insect screen window. After 25 years of development, we have formed a production model with Tianjin as the headquarters and Shandong as a production base. Now we have expanded our business to the world. Export share is increasing year by year. Our sun protection system includes 6 categories and more than 20 models, which can provide customers with a complete set of outdoor sun protection solution. 6 categories of anti-mosquito products protect your family in summer. This is our injection molding workshop. All plastic parts are produced by ourselves to ensure that all raw materials meet international environmental protection standards. Automated equipment ensures the size and quality of the product. This is a warehouse. Reasonable stocking and management ensure rapid turnover, packing, shipping, and its goods are always safe and sound. This is our spare part warehouse. The scientific classification allows us to sort and use materials quickly for production. Now you are in our profile sawing workshop. The fully automatic multi-head saw can be controlled by the computer to complete the cutting of different sizes at the same time, which greatly improves the production efficiency. What you are seeing now is our self-developed automatic mesh welding and cutting equipment. Mechanized production not only guarantees product standardization, but also greatly increases output. The flexible adjustment of the screen production line can meet the production of various types of screen products. This is an automated and standardized awning production line that we independently designed and constructed. Everyone knows that the fabric is a key to some protection products. The standardization of fabric efficient and firm stitching and precise dimension is the secret of our leading quality. This smart cutting device can accurately cut out a variety of different shapes to meet the needs of a special shaped product. For this case, there are hundreds of triangle awnings to cover a regular glass roof. We have 2 sets of fume shrinking equipment, which is flexible and suitable for various screen products. Our quality inspection team has been integrated into all aspects of production. Product development requires strict testing, and all have got certificates issued by the third-party laboratory. Our company has passed ISO, BSCI, Walmart-related qualification certificate. Our products have passed relative tests, comply with the industry standard, and I have more than 50 patents. So choose us. We'll not let you down.